All right.
Get all the good stuffing out. I got it out. There's your stuffing in the bowl. And we get our butter water mix. Oh. Start.
Why don't you get the wooden one?
The wheel? Okay, you got it. And we add don't put the burning metal on the table or else it'll burn the table. And then you mix. On camera, it looks like it's not steaming at all, but it's steaming. It's a steamy boy. Oh, it's starting to smell real good now.
It looks like that.
It does look like it needs a little bit.
So we follow the directions, but it looks like it needs a little more water. So we're just gonna add a little more water.
A tiny bit
ourselves.
more water.
Yeah, because the directions are exactly to so it doesn't get over of anything like over butter or over water. So from here on we just put little by little bit of water to make it the way we want it. We don't really need to be careful, don't get burned, okay? Okay, so from here on we're gonna do it ourselves by adding water, a little bit of water, little by little. It doesn't look too bad either, right? Like this, or do you think so?
No.
No. I think it's good like this. No, it needs a little bit of water, right?
But is it enough stuffing? Well, for the turkey it is.
It is.
But then when I make
Yeah.
the other dishes, the side dishes, like cranberry and
Well, that's good enough.
for dessert we got pies.
That's good enough.
And then after that we got mashed potatoes.
Yes.
I don't know, that's fine. Rice. And then
Gonna make rice, mashed potatoes, and stuff like that.
yeah,
Okay.
good stuff.
All right. Yeah.
The good stuff.
We throw a little more water. It got warm up a little bit. So we do a little more. There, like that, just like that.
Little by little,
Yeah, little by little, yeah.
and see how it comes out.
Yes.
Okay, Dad, what does it?
It look good, right? So we got the stuff. Show the stuffing. We got the stuffing ready.
Got the stuffing.
Ready. We're gonna bring. What do we bring right now?
The turkey.
Yeah, we bring the turkey out. Yes. case, we got the turkey right here.
Got our turkey.
Yeah, so the turkey is right here again. Out. Out. We got
The pin to make sure so.
yeah, to make sure to put it back in it to make sure it cooks. I make it cooks. Got that right there.
Here's our turkey, our delicious,
Yeah.
delicious.
And we're putting
beautiful.
this. We're putting this
Put it
back
in the
on,
hole that it was in.
back where it was,
Now I can't find it.
to wherever it was. Somewhere over here, right? Or over here.
Right here, yeah.
Was it right there? Was it in the bottom or towards the top? I think it was towards the top.
I think it's towards the bottom.
Oh, here we are then. All right,
Oh,
there.
there, you got it.
Yeah, so we got it.
Found it.
All right, now we're ready to put the stuffing in.
All right.
And my daughter's gonna do that.
How do I put it in?
Oh, just grab a chunk.
I think it's still hot to grab a chunk.
Oh, is it too hot?
Yeah, it's still
Too
hot.
hot? Let me see.
It is.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if it's a little too hot, we could probably just go and we open the meat and then stuff it in, right?
Open it.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that was the best bet. Yes. Yes.
I mean, still, it would be easier with your hands, but.
Yeah. But it's working out pretty much okay.
There we go. Wait, hold up. The cat got out and dead. Go get the cat.
Please.
We'll be right back.